Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. In this video you will see two different healthy energy bar recipes. Our first recipe is the ingredients for the ultra luxury energy bar. 10 dry dates, this calorie, carbohydrate and protein source. Soak dates and dried apricots in hot water. A full plate of oatmeal. Oats are a strong source of carbohydrates and fiber. Peanuts, walnuts, pistachios, raw sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, raw hazelnuts, raw almonds, cashews, dried coconut, powdered coconut, currants and honey will be used. Firstly, mix the dry food in the pan for 5 minutes. Almond, peanut, hazelnut, walnut, pumpkin seed, cashew and sesame. Needless to say, in full grams as the quantities of these materials can be seen. Such dry foods are known to be a source of healthy omega fats, energy and calories. Mixing at low temperature is necessary to increase the aroma of these materials. In this energy bar construction, we will use dry foods without breaking them down. Extract the seeds of dried dates and dried apricots and make them puree with blender. Dry dates are vitamin B9, folic acid and proteins. Contains calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron and sodium, and also contains fruit sugar. Dried fruits can be a little expensive. If you can dry fruits at home. For example, how to dry coconut at home in winter. Buy one coconut and finely prepare with a fruit attachment. If not used immediately, prepare thicker slices, these will dry overnight. Place the coconut slices on a paper towel. Use paper for more juicy fruits. Place the fruit slices on the heating and wait overnight. This drying method is valid for all fruits. Oatmeal is our main ingredient in making energy bars. Turn oats into coarse oat flour with a mixer. Add fruit puree to large pan, evaporate excess water from dates and apricots. Add the raisins. Add and mix other ingredients. Add 2–3 spoons of honey. Add dry foods and make sure the ingredients get a little hot. Mix ingredients in a large container. Insert paper into the mold and add materials. Press it with your hands and press it well, leave it in the freezer for 1–2 hours. This is better than the best quality energy bars you can buy outside. Prices of energy bars are expensive for me. Here are 24 slices of 60 grams on average. It does not contain any additives, it is natural, homemade, sugar-free, and very tasty. The image is amazing, prepared for those who need high energy protein and calories. Very tasty and good news. You can pack the energy bars you prepared and store them in the freezer. Second energy bar recipe. A version with more dried fruits and some baking. Materials required for the construction of fruit energy bars in the oven: oatmeal and some cornflakes, pumpkin seeds, walnuts and hazelnuts, some pistachios, cashews and almonds, grape molasses, raisin varieties, black core grapes, yellow grapes and currants, strawberry and blackberry dried, black plum dry, dry white mulberry, black and yellow apricot dried, dry fig, dry apples and dry coconut. You can choose dried fruits according to the ingredients in the house, they don't have to be all. You can dry the fruits yourself at home. Slice the fruits finely and place them on paper. Dry the fruits in the sun in summer and in winter in the heating system. Place the strawberry slices on paper and let it dry for one night. It will be ready in the morning. You can use apple, slice the same way and place it on paper. It is up to you to use different fruits. Add oatmeal and cornflakes to the blender. Turn a little in the mixer and thin the oatmeal. Add dry fruit to the blender and finely chop. Chop dried fruits as finely as possible. I saw that these dried fruits were salt chopped. Chop dried coconut and apple slices. Dry berry, strawberry and blackberry. Add all of the ingredients to the mixing bowl. Add 3 spoons of grape molasses. Mix all ingredients well by hand. Add paper to the baking dish and add the mixture. Place with your hands and cover and bake for 10 minutes. Do not cook too much, 5 minutes in a heated oven, 10 minutes in a cold oven. Take it out of the oven and leave for 3 hours in a cold environment. Slice the energy bars after it cools. A little hard, but don't be afraid, these are edible. As you can see, the ingredients are all in a bar shape. Those who are running, doing sports or doing heavy duty, try this. It will be enough to eat one when you experience energy drop. There is no sugar in it, but there are fruit candies that are quite healthy and delicious. Pack and stock with stretch, can be eaten 10 minutes after removal. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.